Okay, this is GappaMagix, and I am outside, obviously, and I'm gonna go and take a look to see if the bipedal humanoid creature ate those donuts and the bit of steak that I left for it. And as well, this is my stick from last time. No one took it. This is a good stick. Good for walking and good for self-defense. Now let's go. So this is a little walk to get there, like I told you before. But since New Year's is going to be later on tonight, might as well make sure or take a look to see if the bipedal humanoid creature found or came back to get the gifts or whatever I gave it. The 2 donuts and a bit of steak from the last time when it took the burrito and the apples on the 24th of December. Or no, excuse me, the 23rd. I'll pause it till I get a little ways walking. Okay, I'm coming to the steps. Remember last time, walked down that for fun to see if I fell for you guys. And I will do that for you again. In case I fall, I'll be on camera. Then you can laugh. Bring my snowboard just to make it down this part. It's pretty with all the snow on it. Now there's a print. A print upon prints. A couple small prints inside of a big print. Whoa. There is ice under there. Just gonna try to, not gonna walk all the way down, but there ain't no footprints over there, or any type of markings besides rabbit. And anyway, keep walking. Okay. I noticed that many people don't watch my uploads about this bipedal humanoid creature. That's fine. What's this? This is something here. And in my opinion, not a dog. I knew it. It's like skinwalker type print too, where it's like a huge print, and there's the three pronged foot where you saw on the other